Hey, what's up, everybody? This is the first video. This here's just a little clip of my AdSense today on Google. So, for those of y'all that think that you can't make no money off Google AdSense, well, yeah, you can. And so, with that being said, today I'm gonna do a video about Google AdSense and show y'all how to get started on Google AdSense. So if you guys don't have any interest in being a part of Google AdSense, then you should close this video right now, because this definitely is not the video for you. And for those of you that want to, then I'm going to show you how to get instantly approved for Google AdSense and start making money for free. So first thing you need to do is you're going to have a Gmail account. Some of you guys already got one. If you don't, go ahead and go to Google, go to Gmail, make your quick account, pause this video, come back. Alright, so for those of you guys that already have one, I need you to go to google.com and then click on the More tab, and then go down here to Even More, and then right under Communicate, Show, and Share, click on Blogger. I'm already logged in. You can see here's some of my blogs. Basically, what Blogger is, it's a company owned by Google where you can create your own free blogs. This is where I make a lot of my money doing other things that I'll make videos about later. Basically, this right here is the website that got me approved for Google, and I took it down. Let me look at it. Let me find another one. Let's find another one. Okay, this here was just a little one I did for the UFC event on February 21st, and it was pretty big. I'll show you guys how to do that on another time, but yeah, that's what it is. But what you're gonna need to do is create a new one, because you don't have one. So just go create a blog and just name it whatever, my blog, and then just pick a URL, my blog, who cares, la la la. I'm just trying to come up with something that ain't taken. So once you got that, type in all that stupid stuff, and I messed it up. Wait for this to load. Okay, so they give you all these free ones. You can Google free blogger templates and find nicer ones, or you can mess with them. On here you can set a custom domain name like yoursite.com or whatever. I just use the free ones because it don't cost you anything. So once you go onto here, this is where you post it. But first thing you're going to want to do is go to let's see, this here is where you set like your description, your blogs, blah blah blah. You can get into this yourself. It's pretty simple, all step by step. But yeah, go to layout and then go to add gadget, and then you'll see AdSense. And then if you look down here at the bottom, I've already got mine signed in. But what you'll do is you'll just come on here, you know, pick how you want it to look or whatever. And since I've already got it, it's not showing the option, but it'll ask you right here if you would like to sign up. You just say yes, and then you got to fill out their little paperwork, you know, their little registration, but it'll take about 2 to 5 minutes. As soon as that's done, you will instantly have ads on your site making money. They'll send you a thing saying that you're waiting to be approved, but you always get approved going through Blogger because it's a Google owned website. But what I found out is, even when I made my blog, like I just created this one here, even when I did my blog, I would have instant ads on my thing, and I was earning money even while I was waiting. Excuse me. So yeah, that's what it is. You can always make it look nicer, by getting a new template. Like I said, just Google that. Free blogger templates. You'll find some nice ones. Once you find it, you paste the code in here. I'm sure you all did MySpace before. You know what I'm talking about. There's a lot of different things you can edit, you know, sort of like the MySpace thing, but you can actually make these look pretty decent. And just start posting some stuff up. Pick something that you enjoy that will make money. Like let me go back to mine. Like on mine, these here are my money making sites. This site here is for American Idol, and it makes around 30 or 40 bucks a day, and it costs me absolutely nothing. And I'm gonna have to pause this when it pops up. Okay. So yeah, I found a little free template, and then I just post episodes of American Idol on here, and people come and watch it. I got videos on here, I got my Google ads, and I make about 40 bucks a day off something like this. Of course I got other pages with all the other episodes. You get the point. It's really simple, and you'll be instantly approved like that. This video here was just to show you how to get instantly approved for Google ads. The next video I'll show you how to, you know, make more money with it and to promote your Google ads. But that's it for this video. Leave your comments, rate, comment, subscribe, and if you have any requests, post it up.